Hey there, I'm going to give you a quick intro to Vincent Van Gogh and Starry Night. Vincent Van Gogh was a post-impressionist painter from Holland. His art is characterized by bold colors and expressive brushstrokes. Van Gogh had a hard life. He struggled from years of depression, poverty, loneliness, and romantic disappointments, and only sold one painting during his entire lifetime. Then he died tragically at the young age of 37. While he was described as a madman and a total failure during his lifetime, he is now remembered as one of the greatest, most influential artists in history. Vincent van Gogh painted the Starry Night while he was staying at a mental institution. He actually believed this painting was a failure, which is kind of amazing considering that today it's one of the most famous paintings in the world and it's valued at around $100 million. I believe the lesson we can take from Van Gogh's life is this. Have faith that even if the world does not recognize the unique gifts you have to offer, you may still be making an enormous and valuable contribution to the world. So even if you fail again and again, like Vincent van Gogh did, don't give up. The world needs your gifts. Okay, I'll get off my soapbox now. Be sure to check out my other videos. I have loads of amazing art lessons and tutorials on this channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe.